Hello one and all. Welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video we'll study about Copilot Studio, which is Microsoft Copilot Studio. On the official documentation page, as you can see on the screen, we have this Microsoft Copilot Studio section in the Learn documentation by Microsoft. Okay, there's a separate section under the Learn documentation for the Copilot Studio, and this page was updated in December 2024. And the documentation comprises of what is Copilot Studio, what are the features, and how we create agents. So here we are on the Copilot Studio overview page, and we'll read what it is. Copilot Studio, it is a graphical, low-code tool for both creating an agent, including building automation with Power Automate and extending a Microsoft 365 Copilot with your enterprise data and scenarios. So here's the first page. You can see here it is Microsoft product, so it is Microsoft Copilot Studio. You have your environment on the right side, so it is Microsoft environment, and the first page looks like this. Since it is recently launched, we can expect a lot of changes in this, but yeah, for now, as of the current date, it has this screen where it says describe your agent to create it. Basically, this is to create your agent, which is your own Copilot, which will work for you. And here are the sample templates, like your travels agent, Teams navigator, store operations, website Q&A, IT help desk agent, case management agent for several scenarios. Okay. So it has few of the features. We'll study later about it. We'll go a little down. We'll study in detail about all these things, but in this video, the scope is to create a simple agent for you. Okay, so let's go down. We'll go to the Access Copilot Studio section, and it is said to access it through web app, which is this link, copilotstudio.microsoft.com. For what use cases we have to make use of it, it is given the information about it, and the other way is the Teams app. And in this video, we are going to access it through this web app. Okay. Then your agent creation, how we have to do it, etc. So we'll create our first agent at this copilotstudio.microsoft.com. But before creating that agent, we should know how we have to sign up for the Copilot Studio. The trial version of it is only available for your work or school account. Okay, personal email address is not allowed. You can't sign up to the Copilot Studio using your personal email address as of the current date. This was updated on 6th Feb 2025. Maybe later it will be allowed, but for now you can only use your work or school account. Now next is the quick start, where you'll create your agent, create and deploy. Through web app, it is given how we have to create it. So first you have to go to the link in the Copilot Studio. We have to sign up, and then the agent section we have to go and create agent. So let me take you to my environment here. On the screen you can see the Microsoft Copilot Studio, where I'm logged in with my work or school account, and this is the home page, right? On the left side you can see here the options. First is home, then create an agent. So we'll click on agents, because in this video we are going to demo about agents. In the agent section, we'll click on new agent. New agent. The page appears with the name agent 2. It has here on the right side skip to configure or create option. So we'll write it as skip to configure. When we click on this, we can give our agent name, agent for MS Learn. Why I'm giving MS Learn? Because we are going to make use of the MS or Microsoft Learn documentation page to give some information. Our knowledge base for this agent will be Learn. So let me take you to the Microsoft Learn website. The Learn website is https://learn.microsoft.com. Let me open this. It will be like this, and we are more interested into the documentation for Azure. So we'll make use of this. Okay. Let's go back. The description, you can write these things we'll study later. For now, you can just copy the name and mention here in the instructions it will get details from Microsoft Learn documentation. Okay, this is there. Then the prompts we'll add later. For now, since it's just for demo purpose, we'll leave it as is. The knowledge base. In the knowledge base, we have to add either the data, files, or other resources that your agent will use to learn. So we'll click on Add Knowledge. In the knowledge base, we have several options. The featured options, or the one which we are going to use, will be a public website. So we'll click on the public website, and here we'll give the link https. It is Microsoft, the URL is learn.microsoft.com. Okay. If we give the complete URL till Azure, let me copy and paste and try to click on add, it will say just confirm it. So we'll add the knowledge base of Azure. So it will give me the information which is present in the Learn documentation of Microsoft under the Azure. Okay, this looks fine. We'll now click on create. So it will display that it is working on the setting of our agent with the knowledge base which we have given. And if we go to the documentation under the Azure, there are the different Azure services and its information is given here, right? So let's see. Our agent is created. Your agent is ready. Here's what's next. We have to add actions, build topics, publish our agent. We'll do that later, but let's first test our agent. The name is given, description, instructions, orchestration. This is for sending emails and all. We'll study all these things later in detail, but we are more interested how our agent works. So the knowledge given is shown. Okay, this is the website. And here on the right side, it is giving us to test our agent. Okay, the agent MS Learn is ready. Now we can ask questions to this. We will now test our agent. We'll go back here. We have the popular Azure products here under the Azure documentation. So we'll ask about the products for which it has data. List all Azure products. So here comes the reply, which is the list of the different Azure products. Okay, these are the different products and it has given the segregated information as well. Now let's ask about the Azure Data Factory. If we go to the section in analytics, we have different services, right? We'll ask about Data Factory documentation. So what activities are present in Azure Data Factory? Okay, so let's see its reply. It is given that for ADF and Synapse, it supports 3 main groupings: data movement, transformation, and control flow. And then under all these 3, what are the list of activities? It has given us the list. Now let's ask about what is lookup activity in Data Factory. So it has given lookup activities used to retrieve data from a data source, data retrieval, how it is fetched, and other details along with the lookup activity link is shown here. All this is happening because of the knowledge which we have given to it. So the knowledge is given in the form of the public website URL, and it will have the other sections created like the topics, actions, activity, analytics, and channels. So for now, in this video, we have opened up the Microsoft Copilot Studio, signed in with our work or school account in the environment where we can create an agent. So this is how we can create an agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio. Hope you have got the very basic understanding of how the Copilot Studio looks like and the creation of agent. Thank you for watching this video. Do let me know in comments if you have any queries. Happy learning. Bye.